I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it.
Hey, me always hold this platform still when I'm there start fishing or so. It's just a normal thing for me to still. Me just come up here so and hold this platform with here. So. You want to sit on the cannon? Whoa! See, make Brian, you see Brian dark, I'm a blush. Right, Brian, look here. Bird on, bird on, bird on, bird on. What we talk about her there, boss? Always.
Bird on, bird on.
Think you a fish, man? Not really bird to blood clean. Couldn't lift up the 3 ounce, you know. 3 ounce weight holding blood clean. Lift a wah. Fly with wah, go away. No, flying I line. Fly low. Like that one there, fly low now. Hey, the nylon, you cut them up when they grab the knife, you know? Yeah. Remember the big one where you met me Lego? Yo, Jerry, let him come on. The big green one where we catch on a Sunday Bay today. Nice.
I you make let him go on.
Yeah, man. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Yeah, man. Another one bites the dust, guys. Fish on. Oh, yeah. Fish on, guys. Yes, sir. Another one bites the dust. What number is that for today? Is this one a keeper? Oh yeah, goatfish. This is a goatfish. This is a keeper. This is a goatfish, bro. They don't grow much bigger than this. You know what a goatfish is?
Yeah, they can use that thing there.
Oh shit, hold this. Hold this.
They can use
Show him like cool there, brother. That's a goatfish, that's a fryer. That's a definite fryer, bro. I can't believe Lisi's out here talking about ill. Be it in our box now, boss.
Yeah.
Pull them out and put some more up on the board, man. Then go and melt out. Yeah. Hey, Brian, I just got a goatfish. I haven't caught a goatfish. You know how long it's been since I caught a goatfish? Fishing here, guys. Double whammy. Fish on the next rod again. Got fish on one rod. Fish on the next, guys. Even bite is saying it, guys. This one feels a little bit better. Fish on, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing here with you guys. I'm on even bite time, guys. The snappers are out. Now go. Double whammy. Look at this. I know. I'm gonna put them back. They're small. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. These are small, guys. Look. We're gonna put this back. We're gonna put this one back, guys. We out there, guys. Back. And then we got another one on the next line, guys. This is what's up. Another fish on the next line. And this guy is a small guy too, guy. Check it out. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Get him out of here, guys. Bam. That's what's up. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We're still out here, guys. What's up? This is what's up. Oh, fish on. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Evening bite time, guys. Jamaica Shore Fishing. We are definitely still out here, guys. Out here from morning to evening, guys. This is what's up. What do we got here this evening, guys? A grunt. This is a grunt, guys. Caught ourselves a grunt. Jamaica Shore Fishing. Try a grunt. There you go, guys. Look at that. Nice size. Alright, let's get this guy back in the water. These guys say I got a contract with the sea people. This is what's up. I threw back a total of 5 fish today. That's a fat little grunt. They're coming out now. You're making shore fishing here, guys. Huh? What's that? Oh, I'm gonna use it. Take out some more shrimp for me. Fish is biting now. Oh. Rough. Hold us, now. Fish on. Fish on, people. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Oh, fish on, guys. Good fish. Shore fishing here, guys. Another one coming in, guys. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, man. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. That's what's up. Yeah, man. We hitting them. Jamaican shore fishing, guys.
Oh my God.
That's what's up. Yeah, man. Just landed this bad boy, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Look at that. This is what's up, guys. We are out here. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We're getting hit left, right, and center here. I was just about to leave. And that kind of changed. I just hit like £1.5 snapper a while ago. Good hit. That's what's up. Alright, just drop the shrimp back in there. Yeah, pack up. Let's start pack up. Here? Now pack up my look rod them first and them something there. Yes, guys. Big up on yourself. This is where I forgot you. Oh, we have push out back for go home. I'm on the long journey sometimes, you know, peoples. I hope you guys enjoyed all the footage, content for today. Pretty exciting day, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Look up yourself, like, share, subscribe, people. We're trying to reach 1,000 viewers for this year, you see me? So, big up on yourself. We are out here, guys.